Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we will learn how to prepare a succulent braised beef, a dish renowned for its tender, flavorful meat and rich velvety sauce. Required equipment and utensils. Small braising pan for slow cooking the beef with vegetables. Casserole with lid to hold the beef and vegetables during oven braising. Frying pan for browning or searing the beef and vegetables. Dutch oven or heat source for additional slow cooking if required. Oven mitts for safely handling hot pots. Tablespoon for basting the cooking liquid onto the meat to prevent drying. Thermometer to check and control the cooking temperature. Chopping board for cutting the meat and chopping onions and carrots. Sharp knife for trimming and cutting beef and vegetables. Trussing needle for testing the doneness of the meat. Ingredients for braised beef. Lean beef, top side or thick flank, cut into chunks, 400 grams or 1 kilogram. Dripping or oil, 25 grams or 60 grams. Onions sliced and lightly fried, 100 grams or 250 grams. Carrots sliced and lightly fried, 100 grams or 250 grams. Brown stock, 500 milliliters or 1.25 liters. Tomato puree, 25 grams or 60 grams. Demi-glace or gelée, 250 milliliters or 625 milliliters. Bouquet garni, parsley, thyme, leeks, bay leaves, and cinnamon, 1 bundle or 2 bundles. Flour, white or wholemeal, as required for dusting if needed. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped mushrooms, optional, as available. Parsley, chopped for garnish, as needed. Measure the lean beef as per the recipe and trim off any excess sinew. Cut the beef into sizable chunks, approximately 2 to 3 centimeter pieces. Measure the onions and carrots for 10 portions. Cut the onions and carrots into sizable pieces. Aim for uniform rustic cuts to ensure even cooking. Measure the liquids. Measure 60 grams of tomato puree and 625 milliliters of demi-glace or gelée using a scale or measuring jug. Measure the required cooking oil. Keep it ready for browning the beef. On a chopping board, season the beef chunks with salt and pepper evenly. Heat a frying pan with the measured oil until hot. Add the seasoned beef chunks to the pan and sear them on all sides until they develop a nice brown crust. Once seared, remove the beef from the frying pan and set it aside on a plate. Saute the vegetables. In the same frying pan, using the remaining oil and meat juices, add the cut onions and carrots. Saute them for a few minutes until they begin to soften and develop flavor. Assemble in the braising vessel. Transfer the sauteed vegetables into a Dutch oven or small braising pan or carousel with a tight fitted lid. Place the seared beef on top of the vegetables. Season the beef again lightly with salt and pepper. Add the braising liquids. Pour the measured brown stock so that it comes about 2/3 of the way up the meat. Add the bouquet garni along with the tomato puree if available. And also add a few chopped mushroom trimmings for extra depth of flavor. Initial braising. Bring the mixture to a boil on the stovetop. Skim off any impurities that rise to the surface. Cover with a lid and transfer to a moderate oven set between 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gas mark 2 to 6. Allow the beef to cook slowly for approximately 1.5 hours. Once the initial braising is complete, remove the beef from the Dutch oven and transfer it to a clean baking bowl. Cover loosely with a foil to keep it warm. Return the cooking lid in the Dutch oven, add the measured demi-glace or gelée and continue to cook, allowing the liquid to reduce and thicken. Skim off excess oil or fat as needed. Return the beef to the thickened sauce in the Dutch oven. Continue to slow cook for an additional 2 to 2.5 hours, or follow the guidelines of 35 minutes per 0.5 kilograms of meat until the beef is very tender. Once the beef is tender and the sauce is rich and well developed, remove the beef and strain the sauce using a corn colander. Straining helps achieve a smooth, refined sauce that enhances the dish's presentation. Arrange the slices on a serving plate, pour some of the sauce over the meat, and serve the remaining sauce in a sauce boat. Garnish with chopped parsley. Serve your braised beef with rice or your preferred starch.